Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm showing you how to create a logo in Gemini. So firstly, let's open the workspace. Now you should just open up your Gemini, of course, and then you're ready to start the prompt with, for example, generate a vector logo for, and this will ensure your scalability. And don't just give a name, define the vibe. So of course, in our case, I'm just going to give you an example prompt as well. Okay, and just this kind of prompt. And then, for example, I will just use the thinking model. It's a bit better than fast. Right, and then after that, you can fine tune. So in the Gemini Pro update, you can now modify the style only. So after the generation, just tell it this to make these kind of adjustments. And then once you have the perfect design, you can click the SVG download button or just download it in the interface here. I'll show you how. And also in May of this year, Gemini now exports fully editable, scalable vector graphics ready for direct use on your website or professional merchandise. After you're done and you're satisfied, as you can see, you can just download in full size right here with this button, and also you can preview it. Here's the download button. So your brand's identity is now in your hands. If this guide helped you design your future, hit like and subscribe.